What excites me about my future is the job offer I got from Boeing to be an aircraft structures mechanic. Everything that I've learned in this class is essentially the same exact thing that they do at Boeing, so I think I would be 100% ready.
We help students develop manufacturing skills by following the Core Plus Aerospace curriculum to meet whatever the needs are of the local businesses. Local manufacturing employment opportunities in our area is our local naval shipyard and safe boats, as well as some of the other skilled trades unions. There are tons of opportunities out there that they can use to support themselves.
Taking Core Plus Aerospace is really a good path. It really opened up a lot of opportunities to me. Working with tools is going to be useful in my career. We worked a lot on riveting and working with metal plates and drilling using basic pneumatic tools. I really enjoy having hands-on projects, and I think it's really fun.
The Core Plus Aerospace program, a lot of the projects we do around here are hands-on projects. I like learning how things work. There's just a range of stuff you could do.
I saw this class as my opportunity. I wanted to take this, and it's one step away from my future. I'm going to be working at Boeing at Renton. It excites me because I meet more people that I can learn through.
I love what I do because I get to see kids be successful. I get to see kids apply what they're learning in my classroom and take that into the outside world.
Before I took Core Plus Aerospace, I didn't know what I was going to do after high school. I'm really excited to start my aircraft structures mechanic position, and hopefully from there I can move up in the company.